how to remove profile picture on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can remove profile pictures on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you want to remove a profile picture and not keep any profile picture at all. For this, just come to your profile page after opening up Facebook, and then you can currently see I have a profile picture. I don't want to change my profile picture, I want to completely remove it. To do that, just tap on your profile picture once, and then from here you should be able to see all this. You can just select the option called See Profile Picture, and then open up the profile picture in full screen, where you have to tap the three dots option from the top right, and then you'll find an option called Delete Photo. So when you tap on Delete Photo, tap the delete option, and then your profile picture will actually get successfully deleted. You can just try to refresh it, and when you refresh it, your Facebook account won't have any profile. This way you can remove profile picture on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next video.